Oh my god, is it more Final Fantasy VIII music? Oh shit. Well, we just fight Eden Prime and meet right away. Yo, it's Final Fantasy VIII music! I can't! It's making me feels right now. Oh, this place is amazing.
Ready, check.
Oh yeah, food. Let me use the food you gave me so that I go to waste.
Now I have the mats to make another like 300 or 400 of those.
Wait, is your culinary an 80?
Yeah.
Oh, huh. Didn't even know that.
All my crouches are 80 at this point.
Damn.
Can we pull the boss already?
I know. Wasn't it 8 of 8? Oh, did I not pick it? Sorry.
Check complete.
I thought I hit it. I'm just too amazed by the Final Fantasy VIII music. Okay then. Whee.
Star 10.
You notice those AoEs drop a persistent puddle, right?
I see them. I bet that tank buff's gonna hit hard and savage. Your blade, uh-oh, what's gonna happen? Oh shit, that's gonna be insane.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be a lot faster than Savage.
Yeah. Like you're gonna have to be riding their ass the whole time, probably.
Up to the border, it's gonna leave persistent puddles.
Yeah. We're gonna have to like, oh my god, it's gonna be crazy. Look at, I'm already doing over what I usually do. Just because you helped me change that shit.
I don't even have ACT on right now.
What's this gonna be like? Okay, yeah. Oh my god, is this, what's it called, Innocence all over again? Why are you way over there, bitch? Fuck. I gotta make my way. I'm making my way.
No, you gotta force your way.
Damn. Oh shit, I wasted my Swift already. Cut. We don't have anyone to rise. Damn it. Damn it, damn it. I used it on a DPS ability. Hold on. There we go.
Is DPS as bad as I think it is?
Hold on a second. Sorry, I just don't want us to die. Oh god, what is this?
What the hell?
Hello? Oh shit, I'm scared. We need a lot of healing. I don't know if I have time to res, but we'll see. Oh, that person just died. Holy mother of god, what is this? We're in space. GG.
Please stack the abs. Please.
Maybe you're not supposed to, like I'm at. But hear me, I don't know, maybe.
I don't see anything that's telling us that we can't, and I want to do damage.
My pad! Oh god. Alright, I can get this dude too. Nice. I'm gonna put my wings up because it looks like they do AoEs in between.
Okay, now that's
Wait? Your Sam's 424, yeah, you can go in. GG. It doesn't take long. Wow, look at it below us. Look at it. Holy shit. This is the first boss. Like, this should be the end boss.
We're doing on that kind anyway, 'cause I can carry it on that kind.
Oh my god, it's... I can't say anything. I need to freak out though. This is Final Fantasy 8. I can't even. It's probably gonna hit so fucking hard. It's literally the same move. Yep, it's... Oh my god. So many people freaking out right now. So many people freaking out. I'm freaking out. Best raid tier ever, GG. First fight. Oh my god, this white mage. Every time I use my Swift for DPS. Fuck you!
I shouldn't do that, but very first time ever.
I know. It's a bad habit. I already know. Fine. Basically solo heal it.
I don't
Alright.
know how much damage this does.
I got a slow race. I know. Probably enough to kill. Probably enough to one-shot you. It's one of those mechanics.
We'll see some casual eat that shit, and we'll know.
Only one way to find out, and that's stand in it.
No, force the casual to stand in it.
Have some wings, friends. See, this part is gonna be hard to see, depending on how they do this. It's probably gonna be crazy. A lot of dodging. There isn't that many AoEs, but I'm hoping that the AoEs...
I think they'll be unscripted.
These?
Yeah.
Holy shit, if they're... You probably have to stack and shit like that.
Yeah, you probably have to stack and move in a
Certain way, yeah. Damn.
Because it also it puts ground AoEs on.
Oh god, I can't see shit. There we go.
Okay, this is what drops the puddles.
Oh, okay. And that guy is just standing there. Thanks, dude. Oh no. They went... Hey, what? Where'd it go? I can't believe this is the fucking first. Wait a second. Off. What?
Okay, I have the thing unlocked now.
Okay. That was fast.
Yeah, those cutscenes.
Yeah. I mean, it's really easy cutscenes. Holy fuck. So this place gives a chain and a bolt, right? And then a bolt in the second one, no chain. So I'm gonna have to get the chain in here.
Chain bolts or your shoes.
Right, yeah, I'm gonna get those later. I'm gonna focus a chain here. Alright, we're done.
What kind of daggers are those that Ryan has on?
It's the ones that I remember her having in the cutscenes from before. Is it the whitish with the purplish, bluish? I forget what she has right now, but
It's white tonight, but yeah.
yeah, but then there's like a purple like swirl in there and like a blue. Basically, remember when you could do? I actually have these.
I just see white.
Really? All right, hold on. Wait, what is this? The fuck is this? They're doing this again? The into gear? What?
This is new.
Oh, maybe this is what you used to turn in. Okay.
I guess you
Can be used for special leg gear.
Raid?
Oh, they're doing gear different. What, the chest pieces here too?
Oh, yeah, if the chest
Yeah,
piece is
they-
at one, it's
they-
gonna be.
I'm
a-
assuming the bangle is for, belt and or.
They said there would be coffers.
Oh, no.
on every equipment.
It's not coffers. It's literally like a belt, a chest piece, but like
Or whatever.
antique ones.
Ray said it.
Didn't know that. Oh, it's cool. I'm gonna try for the belt. Oh man. Yeah, because I don't know what the next floor drops, so I'm gonna pass everything. Alright, we're probably gonna get a cutscene and then we can go back in again.
Yeah, I mean, you go ahead and I'll not watch the cutscene and be done immediately.
Are you going into there now?
No.
Okay.